Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I got these 2-strand twists. This is my go-to hairstyle for wash day that's quick and easy, and then 2 weeks later I end up just taking the twist out and wearing it. So I'm starting off with water, oil, and leave-in conditioner and a curl cream, and then that's edge control. So I'm starting off with my hair. It's been washed already. I'm just taking my braids down that I put in the day before, just so my hair could dry up a little bit. For my first section, I'm going to start off parting my hair ear to ear, and then I'm going to spray it down with water. I'm going to be adding the Groyogurt and then the oil, and I'm going to brush out each section, and then I'll start parting, and once my sections are parted, I'm going to use the curl cream last and then start twisting my hair down. To get my twist to look a little bit neater, I start my twist off as flat twists in the back of my head. It stops my roots from looking so puffy, and it also helps the hairstyle just last a little bit longer. And then when I take my twist out, my hair will be curly from like root to tip. All the curls will match, so that's why I like to do that. So now I'm just taking down another section, and I'm repeating the same process that I did on the previous section. So here comes the more so boring part of the video, but while it's playing, I'm going to give you some quick tips on how I get my best results when I do my twist outs. If my hair is already stretched, it works out a little bit better, and my hair looks a little bit longer when I take out my twist. And when you're twisting your hair, in order to get your twist to stay in, twist your hair as you're twisting down. And I also detangle on my way down, just to make sure that my hair ends up nice and smooth in my twist. For my twist outs, I do the lock method, so I'll use a lotion, an oil, and then a cream. I showed you the products in the beginning of the video, but I didn't have enough time to explain what I was using exactly. So I used the As I Am Long and Luxe collection Groyogurt, and then a curl cream that goes with it. And then I used the Main's Choice. It's some type of anti-breakage oil. I like the way it smells, and that's why I got it. So when I'm using those three and then wet my hair down just a little bit to get it slightly damp and more easier to detangle, I go in with the lotion, and that hair lotion specifically gives me a lot of slip, so it's easier to detangle my hair, and it reduces the amount of breakage that I have, because my hair tends to break off a lot at the ends, and I do have a lot of split ends too. So the hair lotion and the oil help me with that. So the more moisturized my hair is, the less chance that I have of my hair breaking off. I do also need to get my hair trimmed like very soon, because I've noticed a lot more split ends and like single strand knots in my hair. So that's when I know I need to go to the hair salon to get a trim. I'm just finishing up. My hair is all the way done, and I'm about to go cook dinner and probably lay down for the night. So I'm just wrapping up my hair and stretching my twist. So I put it in a ponytail, a low ponytail, so I get my hair more stretched, and then I put another ponytail holder around my ponytail to stretch it out a little bit more, and I'm just rolling it down to make sure that that section is stretched. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and tie my scarf around my head, and I'm all done. Thank you guys for watching, and comment, like, and subscribe.